Electric pipe end grinder. Pipe end grinder or end grinder. Can you see a familiarity between this tool and the burr motor tool? Yes, they are much the same tool, only this tool is much bigger and is powered by electricity. So begin with the plug inspection, checking for defects or issues with the plug. Then check the power cord for any issues such as nicks, cuts, burns, or worn areas that would need to be repaired. Move up to the boot or strain relief to make sure that it is not pulled from the tool or damaged. Inspect the tool vents to ensure clear air passage, and inspect the chassis for cracks or missing or loose screws or nuts. Check the label to know the grinder's RPM range. The minimum for this grinder is 19,000 RPM. Next, check the spindle shaft for excessive wear and bearing damage. Next, start the process of removing the old buffing wheel by using the wrenches designed to fit the collet and arbor setup on the end of the grinder shaft. Loosen the assembly and remove the old buffing wheel. Check the new buffing wheel's rated RPM, and if it's acceptable, meaning rated for more than the tool, reverse the process and install the new attachment. After installing the new buffing wheel, plug the grinder back into the power source and give the tool a few pulses to do a final check of the shaft bearings, looking for excessive vibration and the wheel's performance.